Today we're getting hands-on with the Tron 1 robot, a customizable bipedal robot from LimX Dynamics. It's my first time seeing this thing in person after seeing a lot of wild videos of this thing online, and I can't wait to get into it and see what it can do. When I first saw this thing, it definitely reminded me of those AT-ST robots from Star Wars. It's a bipedal robot that you can customize in different ways. So right now the robot's got the flat feet on, but it also comes with pointed feet and wheels, and it can get really fast on these wheels. It's kind of freaky. It looks like almost a professional figure skater when it's doing those spins, and it almost does like a Looney Tunes stop when it tries to turn around because it's going so fast. I also got to see them change the feet in real time, and with a couple guys working, it only took a minute or two. We also kicked it around a lot. It took a lot of punishment, and with just a couple presses of some buttons, it gets right back up again. It did lose a little bit of its pretty face here, unfortunately. That was my bad, and I'm sorry. There are a lot of potential use cases for a robot like this: security, monitoring, warehouse and logistics work. There's different attachments. You can add a hand up here. You can add some different scanners and microphone packages so that you can talk to like a chatbot that could be integrated. It can also be voice activated.
Tron, can I have my water?
LimX also recently released a video where they put this thing in a dinosaur costume and walked it around that was pretty entertaining. So could be used for theme parks or entertainment purposes as well. Because it's so customizable, there are a lot of potential use cases that we might not even foresee right now. The Tron 1 also has a bigger sibling, you might say, called the Tron 2, which was announced last month. And it's got more powerful motors, it can lift more, it's more customizable, and it's going to unlock a lot of different capabilities. The EDU version of this robot, which is geared towards developers and institutions like schools, is about $20,000 USD. It is one tough robot. So thank you, Tron 1, for hanging out with me at CES. Subscribe for more CES coverage and let me know what you think of Tron 1 down in the comments.